Hey everybody, welcome back to Barbecue by Biggs. I'm Aaron, and today we're talking cooling. How do we stay cool out in this Texas heat, or maybe the heat wherever you're at? So I have a solution. If you want to see what it is, come along with us. Stay tuned. So the other day I was out here cooking, making a video, and I tell you, I was pouring sweat. I was pouring so much sweat that I would wipe off, I would do a shoot, I would wipe off. I just couldn't keep the sweat off of me. I had a company reach out to me and said, hey, you know what? We have a solution for that. And you know what? They sent me this. It's an Ogery camping fan. And I was really skeptical at first. I'm like, that's not gonna help. But as you can see on the last couple of videos, I'm not just pouring sweat. I can tell you how I do that. So this fan is wireless. It has no wires. It's rechargeable. Let me jump down here and show you what it's all about. So the cool thing for me is that it doesn't make too much noise, meaning that when I click it on and I have it on high, it gives me plenty of air, but it doesn't sound like a hurricane moving through. And when you're making videos, it's very difficult. Or when you're trying to have a conversation with your friends, it makes a big difference. Now, does it move a ton of air? No, but it moves a pretty good amount of air and it keeps you cool. The other thing, especially for barbecue, that's pretty cool, watch this. You hit the button, it's got this light ring around the outside. So not only do you have cool air, but you also have some light if you don't have the light that you need back there. It also rotates. You can hit the rotate button and it'll rotate back and forth. And it also has a sleep timer. And lastly, if you're out here and your phone's dying, it also has a port in the back where you can plug in a USB and you can recharge your phone. Hey buddy, is it good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
All of y'all should get one of these. It works awesome.
It also has a remote, just in case you want to turn it on or turn it off. So there are definitely fans out there that blow a whole lot harder than this, and we have some of those. We have the rechargeable battery pack from DeWalt fan, but it makes it very, very difficult to film. It makes it very, very difficult to have a conversation. This you can set right on the table, blow on you while you're sitting on your chair. You can barely even hear it. Plus, you know what? It's a lot less expensive. And you know what? Right now, especially with Prime Days, they're having a sale on it. Jump down in the description, go grab you one. We'll see you guys on the next cook.